Guys, we are in Marriott. I came here to use the washroom and now we're going back to the airport. This is a very random point to start vlogging because I have not vlogged anything for that, but for your information, my flight was from Bombay to Delhi and Delhi to Prague. Guys, it's such a quiet airport. Guys, we're back with the grandparents. We're here to celebrate my Dadu's 80th birthday. Yay! Okay guys, since you know I don't really like having mushrooms, but today I'm gonna have a mushroom smoothie. I'll show you. Mera photo matla. You see?
What are you going to have?
This is my mom. She can't resist talking in the middle, so if you hear her, that's why. This is take 2 of trying to use my mic. So I'm gonna try the smoothie and I hope it's good because it looks good and it's supposed to be strawberry and mango, so it's not as nice as I thought it would be sweeter. It's a lot more earthy and nimbu pani-ish. Guys, look at this. Your vlogger is deeply thinking about what to do. I'm sleeping. Hi guys, so it is actually now 12 and we have nothing to do because everyone's tired. We've not gotten our rooms, nothing. So now we're going to go eat some more. Look at their cool bikes.
Can we do that?
But now we're going to go to either the old street or we're going to go to McDonald's because this is my new thing where I feel like every part of the world in McDonald's has their like own special menu. So I have to go try everything out. Everyone is looking confused and tired. 2 minutes ago. Tavanya is going to try the original Pilsner beer here in Prague. Let's see how she likes it. Okay, not at all.
I didn't get it. It was mostly cold.
Okay. Good.
Okay, bas kar. I didn't like it na. Bas kar.
Okay guys, we're gonna try schnitzel. That is famous over here. Mom, it's not a happy birthday cake that you're standing like this. So this is half pork and half cheese.
Half pork and
Half cheese. It's like a very upgraded version of a chicken nugget, if I may say so. Now we're gonna try funnel cake, which is apparently a very famous thing in Prague. So I don't know how to eat it because it's all cream, but let's see. That's good.
under your nose. You have long noses, right?
Now she expects us to eat that.
I mean, I don't care if they don't eat it. I'll eat it.
I want nice coffee. I want coffee. I can only have coffee where I can get this good smell.
Laughing at me for no reason.
It's gone inside his nose. Back inside.
Usually it's just me and Tavanya getting ready. But today we have a third person in here with us who is causing all this chaos, as you can see.
Oh, okay.
And we're all in very different vibes.
Sparkly tops. That was
That
the
is the...
So I
Oh my god, I forgot Yala here.
Oh, they've been all this OMG.
Scandalous MMS.
The podcast for today is
not speak English.
What's that Instagram? Myra, you probably know it. Do you know that Instagram? Oh, damn it.
Once, please. Please, once, try. Guys, this is grappa. It is wine plus brandy.
Grossa. Oh, it feels like I'm having some pungent pee.
Taking out her eyelash from her eye.
India is watching.
Not out. You
Serena's turn. Wait, guys, Serena's turn.
No.
You have to.
left.
Isn't it so bad?
Absolutely horrendous.
Now see the heat.
Okay, now we'll give it to the alcoholic. He'll do this in one go. Thank you.
Oh!
Oh!
Guys, this is Udit Chachu, okay? He pretends to be the coolest of the lot, but in his brain he's actually an oldie now. So it's time to retire from your post of being a youngster.
I will do that when I'm dead.
Dead.
That means he's coming to all the clubs tonight.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Yay, Daddy. How is it? Yummy. It is 10 minutes to 10 and we all decided that we were going to go party and go to a club, but my eyes are fully shutting. It's time to sleep. In India it is 1 a.m.
1:30.
I'm out. Good night. Peace out.
What are you doing?
So now, where are we?
Dog bar.
Mama, how did you like the monkey bar?
I felt like a
It's
monkey
a dog
inside
bar.
crawling.
Oh, sorry, dog bar. Mama, how do you like the dog
I
bar?
felt like a dog. I would not send my dog there.
How was it, Donna?
I liked a unique experience and I got gifts.
Hi guys, welcome back to Prague. It is day 2, but technically day 1 because yesterday was day 0. I was dead tired. But today we're gonna go to a cafe that is on the river right now. Go and have some coffee and some Turkish eggs. And then we're gonna go for a Segway tour and see all the historical places because we obviously have to learn about the place we come to. And then the plan is to go for a ghost tour, which I'm hoping I do see ghosts because as much as I hate getting scared, I feel like it gives me the thrill. And right now I have a Myra and Tavana sleeping on me, so they're gonna get killed first, not me. I already know, so it's fine, even if I attract ghosts. And it's sunny and it's hot, and I bought this lovely quad set, which I'm feeling very excited about. Udit Chachu is here, Amira is here, and that's it. The rest of the people are still getting ready, and it's...
Freaking 12
it's 12.
We're kind of jet lagged though.
Yeah, that's true, because Amira woke up literally...
Supposed to be jet like the opposite way.
Yeah, she literally woke up. She literally woke up at 9:30. She's like, Serena, we've slept for so long. What's the time? I'm like, bro, 9:30. And she's like, oh my god, feels like we slept till like 2. It's looking like that movie, but I can't remember that name. Hotel something. I want to say Hotel like Boulevard or Budapest, but I can't remember in my brain now. So
And she doesn't have Google.
I don't have 5G. That's what I mean. I have no data. Guys, this is proper like old town vibes. Look, like, imagine. Sometimes I feel like if I was living in the 19th century, I would be a happier soul. I don't like these high rises. I like, yeah. This looks like one of Imtiaz Ali's movies. I don't know which one, I can't think. Look at those big butterflies. Is it? Is it? Welcome back to an episode of Have You Met the Saints? We are back to eating food, as you can see. Everyone.
I also prefer lunch.
So this is this cafe called Cafe Bella Vida, and they have very famous Turkish eggs. So we're gonna try those, and I'm gonna have a mango lemonade. So hopefully the food is good. Yeah. He has to be warned. This is Varun Chachu. He's my dad's younger brother. So, and he's also a younger brother, just in case you all were confused. This is the drink for the summer. It is a mango lemonade. That is his drink for the summer.
That's what you're supposed to drink in Prague.
Did you try the prawns and garlic chili?
I've never thought of making a mango lemonade, but Turkish eggs and sausage.
We'll take a bite. This also, no?
Whoa, take a bite.
Take a picture of the food. Give me the Benedict. I forgot to take picture.
She's ill. Tana, say hi.
Don't have bacon.
How is it?
I'm not eating.
Good.
I'm just taking the face
My
like
famous crawling babies of Prague. Rub it for good luck. Tana, no. Tana, no. This is the moment, like it's so hot in Prague. This is the moment, you know, where Kareena Kapoor said in Jab We Met. This is the moment Kareena said in Jab We Met. पानी का काम सिर्फ पानी ही करता है. Guys, can you imagine living in these houses? Imagine saying my house is the pink one, my house is the blue one, my house is the yellow one. How cool. Yes, that's Tavanya. She has tied her shirt into her hair.
So smart, no?
So cool you're looking, Tana. Tavanya, she was looking at me with judgy eyes because I was saying a Kareena Kapoor dialogue in Prague. She's coming to
I
eat
literally am sick.
dosa. She's coming to
four
eat
times.
dosa.
4 times today.
How are you feeling?
Really good. Okay, I want Italy for peace. Okay, thanks. But not the word, but like the feeling of like seeing Indians abroad. And
It's
even
a community.
America, it's also belonging. Yeah. Even in America, when like you go to a restaurant, people get happy when you have an Indian accent.
So now I'm permitted to say as many dialogues as I would like. No judgment from you. Who thought that he would be sitting in Prague, the land of sausage and meat, and listening to Dhoom Machale? This is the castle of church.
Nicholas's church, I think.
This is personal tour guide. He will now explain. We're sitting on the tram bench because we can't decide what the hell we want to do. Because I think we low-key all want to sit at a restaurant, but none of us want to eat again. But none of us want to actually walk till the castle, which is all uphill now, and it's really fucking hot.
It's right there.
So, oh, that's the castle.
Why are we sitting in the heat? I don't understand.
I also don't understand. I'm down to have margaritas, not beer. Ew.
Okay, so look at the Mexican place.
I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling hot. We can't find a place to go, so I'm sitting on the floor.
It's been 5 minutes since the last one.
Yeah, because we were sitting there, but it was too hot. So we had to come here, and there's no place to sit here. So, have you met the Sates? Well, not all. The other Sates are actually in a fancy Czech restaurant, but the 4 of us we're at a cafe. I have been telling them let's sit at a cafe for like the past 15 minutes because I just want to sit in the shade. He was not listening to me, and as soon as I said beer, yeah, that's it.
A glass full of.
We're going to be trying fried cheese for the first time. And he's, oh my god, it's literally just cheese. There is no bread. It's very hot. Let me take a bite.
Don't burn him out.
Yeah. I could see myself eating this if I'm very drunk. Good.
So I just wanted to show you that your vlogster is now sleeping. She fell asleep on the table when we were supposed to be at a boat. Look at that.
That was the boat ride. I did nothing but sleep. I do not recommend. I hate shopping. I can't do it for the life of me. So I'm just sitting. Yeah. Have you met the Saints? We are back to eating. Also, in the middle, me and Tavanya had a Turkish kebab roll, like the shawarma. So I think I've eaten a total of 6 meals today, approx. Hello. This is Varun Chachu. He has been warned this time. He's in a school element. So, you want to say anything?
Cheers to that.
Dadu, I want to try your drink. That's why I can.
They call Noi.
They got Noi with the
It's
Noi
special.
Nice. I would not expect you to have it though. It's so too sweet. Guys, someone complained about us, so we've come inside. This is full Indian wali harkate. एक भी बूंद पानी का waste ना हो.
Water is very precious. We need to leave it for the next generation.
Amira.
We're on a Charles Bridge. It looks like every other bridge that we've Loki thought we were on it before.
It looks like Harry Potter world, but nothing fun happens.
We're in Prague and there are a bunch of guys just singing Bollywood songs.
Hi guys, so it's day 3 in Prague, and we were told that it's apparently very cold and chilly, and we've all come out in sweaters and jackets, but it's actually the same as it was yesterday, so pretty hot. Yeah, so basically we were supposed to go to the castle at 10-ish, and it's now 11:30 and we've just gotten up, and our justification is that it's a holiday. Say hi guys. Hi mom. Hello.
No.
Thank you. So Tavanya wants to climb up there. Tavanya, how many steps are there?
287.
Are you gonna do it?
Yes.
Let's see. Liar. Have you met the Saints? So we're back to eating. Guys, finally the weather's become good. The wind is blowing. I'm feeling very great. I was feeling so hot in the morning, Jesus Christ. But now it's good. So it's like appropriate clothing.
Look at this. This is a ye jo hai zindagi moment. Everyone trying to fit on one chair, a bench. Ye jo hai zindagi. Thodi meethi, thodi kachi. Feel beat ka inka. Ek aagi hai.
आशिकी 2 कर रहे हैं. मैं फुल्ली थक गई हूँ, मुझे नहीं करना और साइट सीइंग. अब मुझे बैठना है. बैठ के आई नो हम खाना ही खाने वाले हैं, बट इट्स बेटर बैठ ही जाते हैं. तो नहीं होगा. डोंट लाइक वॉकिंग वेकेशन. कैंसिल. Guys, we have made it to Frank Kafka's head. It's going to rotate now. So yeah, we took the tram. I just realized he does not know how to read Google Maps. Every country I go to, I have to try their McDonald's. And we're here in Prague and we're going to try all the items that I've never tried before. So this is pistachio McFlurry, and I love pistachio, as you all know. These are rustic potato fries. This is a royal cheeseburger, and these are nacho cheese, so just fried cheese, I guess. Let's start with the rustic fries. I mean, McDonald's can't really go wrong with fries, so 8 on 10, always. Good, very good. Let's try the burger. Out of it, Chatu has already eaten half the burger, but I will try it again for you. It's good. It's like a cheeseburger, but a lot more beef. We should have asked for extra pickles because I love pickles, but I didn't. I don't know why. This is the nacho cheese. There's no cheese pull. I don't know why this country is obsessed with frying cheese. Very synthetic taste. I do not like it whatsoever. Cancel. Now, for the McFlurry. I have too many hopes with this. So good. Why didn't I eat this 2 days ago? Jesus Christ. So good. 10 out of 10. Okay, bye. Now I have to go eat. Tavatui and Amira are eating sushi. Hannah, please give your review.
So excited. This is huge.
Good. How is it, Amira?
Give it a tissue.
Oh, fill my mouth.
Is it good? I don't know if you can tell, but it's pouring. Pouring.
Raining and pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head.
Yeah, cab driver's not coming. This is my outfit. I'm going to try and get. This is my sister Tanya. I'm going to try to get my family to go to a strip club with me in Prague because they're so famous, or infamous, you can say. Right now, we're going to go have Vietnamese food. And we're back to eating. This is our dinner time. Udit Chachu got a splinter in his hand. They're taking it out. Oh,
That's him.
crazy. Cheers. Hi guys, so we just went to this strip club in Prague called Golden Fingers, and I thought, I don't know why in my head I have this very different image of a strip club, and it's somehow very different. Like to me it's like an amalgamation of like art, dance, seduction kind of vibe. Maybe I'm thinking of like a show kind of thing, but this looked really crass. Like not the vibe. It was not cheap also, but it wasn't like sophisticatedly good also. It was like right in the middle, the awkward. I did not like it. Guys, say bye to Prague. Bye. We're heading on to the bus. Say bye, Papa. Say bye. Okay guys, we're heading to this place called Dresden, which is a city in Germany, and we're just there for like 3-4 hours. Basically means the Sate family is just gonna eat and leave. But yeah, we're going in that. You see that minivan type of thing? Yeah, that one.